Ever wondered why your tire shakes and makes noise down the freeway?
Hey guys, Trent from Roll Right Tyres and Mechanical. This video I posted a little bit earlier shows a very hard to see wear called scalloping. This is a wear that occurs when your shock absorbers are starting to wear and what we call in the business as oscillation isn't happening correctly. I call it roller coaster wear because it goes up and down and it's wavy, but this will cause shaking and it will also cause a lot of noise. It's really common with four-wheel drive tyres, especially with the more aggressive all-terrain patterns, because the parts on the side there, we kind of call them shovels because they dig into the dirt when you're four-wheel driving. They tend to cop it the most. So if you're worried about noise or if you're worried about vibration, that's probably one of the causes, but always check with a professional and get them to do an inspection first. Hope this helps.